When did your sugar glider?
Quiet. You want them to be...
Hi, egg and bacon. No.
Did you think of names na?
I already did.
What are the names?
Cupcake. And bacon. Chicken. Don't be afraid.
Yeah, you should not be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Look.
The little ones are here.
Oh, wait lang.
I'm about
You're gonna feed the other one? Okay, feed this one. This one is the tame one. This is a girl. What's the name of the girl?
Sugar.
Sugar. Hey, Sugar. You're Sugar.
I named the girl one.
Honey.
I named the
Come on, Sugar.
Papa. I named the girl one egg, and I named the male one, and the boy one
Come
bacon.
on. Me first. Me first. I'm gonna let him. See, I'm already holding him. See? Now, when you're holding him, you feed it first, and then you, like this. Oh, stop na. Stop na. Oh, now. Now he's
This
eating
is
you.
something.
Wait, he's eating you. Wait. This is how you do it, okay? Oh, he's becoming afraid.
Hi over there.
It's okay. It's okay. Look.
We're feeding
Hi
the
over there.
sugar gliders. Tell them.
You are safe.
Hi guys, we're feeding
You are safe. You are safe.
the sugar
You are
gliders.
safe. You are safe.
Glider scared.
With
You're
mush
safe.
eggs and
It's okay. You're safe.
Bye.
It's gonna go back now. It's gonna go back.
I don't like to help.
See? Now I'm gonna take out the other one with your hand, okay?